Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Jeff Cowboy, and today we're gonna be walking inside the cab, cleaning the air that you breathe inside your car. And to do that, we're gonna be working on two different vehicles, the Kia Sorento and Kia Spectra. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button down below, and let's get started. How to change the cabin air filter on 2007 Kia Spectra. And the cabin air filter is located right here on the glove box, just right behind this glove box. So you're gonna have to take this apart in order for you to access it. In order to take this one apart, it's held by these two tablets, one tab here and another tab here, and there is this string, that's two that need to be removed. So if you look here, already you push the door a little bit and you let that tab go inside the little hole. Remember, that string is elastic, so it's easy to pull in and slide the tab through the door. And then the other tabs, this one here, you need to close the door a little bit and then push it back. Then we got it to get it out, to get it come out through that little hole. There's a tub. So it's a plastic one side, and the inner side is rubber. And do the same thing with the other side. So once you remove both tabs, then you can let the door come down. And now you can access the filter, a cabin air filter housing. This is it right here. So behind each end there is a tab that you're gonna push towards you, one side, and same thing with this other corner. There's the tabs behind here, you push them towards you. And now the housing should be easy to come out now. So you pull it out, and I'm telling you, this thing is so disgusting. Look at that. Look at this. This is the most disgusting air filter I've ever seen in the world. So that is the air that is coming through when you turn in the AC. That's the air that you breathe. That's so filthy. All kind of leaves and all that. This tells me that this filter has never been changed. It's probably been there for several seasons. So that was a mess. Filthy. And you're gonna need the housing that securing this this filter. So take out the old filter away from this housing, just like that, and away with that the old filter. And let's install the brand new filter. So the brand new filter should be clean like this, and it comes with instruction on how to install the cabin air filter step by step, just like we are doing. So those instructions can help you install a cabin air filter on any vehicle, because it's for specific vehicle. So install the new filter on the housing make sure you follow the instruction on the cabin, on the housing itself. There's some arrow that show you that the flow of the air towards the car. And your filters, if you have the right filter, it should be able to fit in the housing securely. On this Kia Spectra, this filter are secured by these two tabs on the housing, and there's one tab here and another tab here. And once it's secured, give it a little shake, and if it's secured, it should not be coming off, and your filter now is ready to slide back in the press, and so you can have the fresh air coming in your car. So we're gonna slide it back inside there just like that, and give it a push until you hear those creeps on each corner. On the secure, you can give it a pull and it should not be coming out. It's locked in place, nice and lovely. Let's move on, and I pulled back the glove box door. Let's find the string. The string is right here. Remember I told you it's elastic, so you can put it in, and remember you put it in and it's have to go through the hole right here, that little hole. So it has to come through here and go in through this small hole. It's in there now. So it should go in and stay just like that. So it has to go in. And it's secure. And all it's done. And that's how you change the cabin air filter on the Kia Spectra. Now the air that's gonna come through your vents is gonna be nice and fresh. Now let's go ahead and also change the cabin air filter on the Kia Sorento, the SUV. And this one is way easier compared to Spectra. So it's also behind the glove box. Held by the glove box is held by these two tabs as well, but these tabs are easy to come out. Like, see, as you can see, this one is just a twist and it come off just like that. There is no string on this one. So the cabin air filter is located right here. Just two clip, you push them together and it comes right out. This one, I'm telling you, is way easier compared with the other one. And this is the cabin air filter. Here we go. Let's see. This one is relatively cleaner compared to the other one. So it's still dirty, as you can see, has some debris right there. And here comes the new cabin air filter specifically for Kia Sorento. Compare with the two, it's still, the old one is still dirty, needed to be changed, but not as filthy as the other one. Like I said, it also have those arrows. Make sure you line it up the way you took out the other one. Make sure those arrows are facing down. The old one we took out, it was facing down. Just make sure you confirm with the owner's manual. And as you can see, the housing is easy to install clips. Once that one is done, you just bring up the glove box, pull back the tabs. These tabs different. It's not like the one we changed from the Spectra. So this one is just a twist and lock in place, and this other one same way, just line it up, twist and lock in place, just like that, and the work is done. And that's how you change the cabin air filter on Kia Sorento. So thank you for staying tuned. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you also have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned.